I think that issue of writing AGF, it shouldn't come up. Ask me why. Nnamdi Kanu case has gone beyond that. Because we've seen how appeal court last year freed Nnamdi Kanu. They said that Nnamdi Kanu has no other case again. And they gave instruction to federal government of Nigeria that they should take Nnamdi Kanu to where they brought him. Why? They did not go through extradition process. If you want to bring somebody from another country into your country, you follow the normal procedure. There are documents. There are process. You should go with those documents, and that person will be legally extradited. Then you can do unto that person whatever the law says against the person. But we have two wrongs here. One is that it is wrong to prosecute or arrest or attack or detain somebody that is agitating for sovereignty of any name, not even Biafra, not only Biafra. Somebody has right to agitate. Agitation, everybody has rights. Self-determination it is. I don't know what I understand. Someone might spring up tomorrow and start agitating for Odua Republic, and we have actually seen it that Igbo did that. Igbo is right, and they have let him off the hook. Igbo is gone. So now Nnamdi Kanu is still there. Writing AGF is like we are behaving like children. I don't see anything in writing AGF. I don't see anything on putting pressure to Tinubu. They of course know that Nnamdi Kanu is free. What they want is confrontation. If you ask me, they want hot confrontation because the guy is free by court. You are still holding him there.
They said the case is complicated.
Which kind of complication? Complicated for what? You abducted somebody from Nairobi. The whole world is against it. That abduction. Nigeria is wrong. They enter into that pact that kind of action is not acceptable within our own constitution. Nigeria had a pact with international community not to abduct any Nigerian without going through process. Nigeria, if we are hosting anybody here, we cannot extradite, let alone allowing such country or national we are hosting their citizen here abducted and take back to their country. It's wrong. So Nnamdi Kanu, I don't see the reason why anybody should write AGF asking Ariwola or CGN or begging Tinubu. It doesn't warrant begging anymore because Nnamdi Kanu is already out. Nnamdi Kanu has come out with charges against federal government. He won. This is the third one because he's taking them to court. I think 19th June of this month. So let me tell you, it is of no use. Nnamdi Kanu is right on what he's doing. And it is right tomorrow, it's right forever. It's not a wrong, it's not committed any crime. Agitation is free.
Senate okays 60 million naira salary for CGN escort justice.
That's their salary now. That's their salary because Ochibanjo passed it, Tinubu passed it early this year, I think, or late last year, for their salaries of all the judges.
It's so fast.
Yeah, it's so fast because that is what they quicken up. Anything that is bad, they will move it fast and actualize it because they are paid. Our gain is their pain. I don't know what I understand. They do it because they know that if paid, these judges settle them well. No matter the case you bring along to Nigerian courts, APC government will win. This is in preparation of what will transpire comes 2027 presidential election. Because they have bribed the judge out by paying them 60 million annually salary. 60 million. Do you know what it means? Each month, 5 million.
No, 6 million.
It's 5 million, 60. Divided by 12. That is 5. So you see it. So now, they have bribed the court. So if 2027 comes, any election, they can bribe the court and hijack somebody's mandate. Tinubu is preparing to stay there again 2027 because he knows that no Nigeria is going to vote for him. But I'm telling him, finish this tenure first before you start fighting for 2027. You can only know today because you have money, you know how to play political wayo, but you don't know tomorrow. It is only God that can tell what is going to happen tomorrow. Okay. Let me tell you, right from the word A, only in Igbo land and deny. Listen and listen good. Many people were killed at Lekito Gate, thrown inside into what? Atlantic Ocean, Nigerian military. What happened? The soldiers, Nigerian military, they debunked that claim that they are not the one. In Igbo land many years, that is how Nigerian soldiers have been killing and maiming Igbo youths, throwing them into River Niger, throwing them into Ezu River. Listen and listen good. I'm not here to paint Nigerian military gold or to paint them black. But let me tell you, whatever any agency in Nigeria now, this current Tinubu regime and Buhari regime is, disseminating as information or messages to the entire outside world. Let me tell you, look at those messages. Look at those informations. Value it, weigh it well before you arrive into a conclusion. Nigerian military, they were bent as early as 2017 on killing Igbo youths, ranging from Nnamdikanu's palace to Onitsha, ranging from Onitsha to Amoma. Amoma is a community in Olu local government of Imo State. Nigerian military were busy killing, maiming, and decimating the youths, claiming they are IPOB. Listen and listen good. If someone came out and said that some youths were killed and thrown into the river, let me tell you, the military in Nigeria, they killed, they took the body away. They don't leave the bodies. So they are characterized by killing and took away the body. If anybody was shot dead and taken away, put inside a Hilux or pickup or military van, I'm telling you, those are the military, how they operate, how they kill in the southeastern Nigeria, so that you cannot trace the killers through the blood, hatch of the blood, or all that. Whatever is saying in Finland is true. And the whole world is watching. It is not the first time such thing occurred in Igbo land. It has been happening on and on, year to year, month to month, weeks to weeks, days to days in Igbo land. Igbo youths are dying on daily basis. I thank God that when the Operation Python Dance started in Abia State, the EU themselves, the Western world, Europeans, they were watching. They don't know that everywhere we are bugged by camera, with camera. And what? Drones. The whole information we are being transmitted, disseminating, at least to the West. They watch it live until they call the then wicked, monstrous Nigerian president, Muhammad Buhari, to order. It was the West that called him. We will see what you've done. I didn't understand. So it is no longer someone is telling lies or this person is telling lies. Everybody knows what is happening in Igbo land. In Igbo land is a survival of, is the region I know that you survive by the type of person you are. If you are someone that doesn't make trouble, you will stay. If you are somebody that if you see trouble, you won't like trouble. You might like to make sure that you interfere to bring peace. You will be in for trouble. The only thing is that people that are free now in the southeast are people that are just, everything about them is peace. Shoot them blood, they will dodge. They don't have to, they will not reply. I'm telling you, the kind of people that enjoy peace in Igbo land are people that don't want trouble. Even though if you took forcefully away their properties, they will thank you. Those are the kind of people we have in Igbo land now. But about youth, what about youth? How could you tell me that these wicked governors in the southeast like Hope Uzodinma could initiate a vigilante outfit called the Bubagu that was busy killing, shooting, killing? What about the 16 youths that went to a marriage ceremony in Imo State? They were killed by Bubagu outfit. The whole world was shouting. The whole southeast, women were wailing. What about that? What are you going to say about that? Is there anybody that was held responsible for that crime? And the couples of Odima and Omai were responsible for Ebubagu initiation. See, listen and listen good. I don't believe anything any federal government of Nigeria is telling me anymore. I am tired. If I come out to say anything or to give people some narratives of what are happening in Igbo land, I do it squarely. I don't tell lies. Are you listening to me? Anything Nigerian soldier, my hands are not there. These are the enemies of the Igbos. Any military man redeploy or deploy to Igbo land will go there and start shooting married women. Men, if you see on social media what these people are doing, it is very, very advantageous to us that we have social media. The world we are now is a global village. No matter where anything happens, you will be watching it live. Soldiers have killed and killed in the township, villages and communities. Now it has graduated to farmland, where Fulani men are killing farmers in Igbo land. And the security outfit initiated by Igbos to guard the forest and farmland will be attacked. Federal government soldiers will be attacking those security outfits, giving Fulanis the upper hand to occupy the whole farmland in Igbo land. They are not seeing that one. See, let me tell you, history will judge us right or wrong. Whatever any man does now, whether you are a governor or president or chairman of local government or councillor, later, nemesis, law of retribution, the law of nature is crawling, is coming after you. Run or you don't run, it must catch up with you.
Okay, but do you not think that they should look for a way to resolve the crisis between the army and the IPOB or the security?
Listen and listen, go. The army in Nigeria you are talking about is constituted about 75% of Fulanis. The Nigerian military are made up of 75% of Fulanis. The rest 25% are Yoruba, Igbo and other tribes. So there's no how you can bring peace between Nigerian military, army and Igbo man. It's a lie. The greatest, the worst enemy Igbo man has today is a Fulani man. Fulani man doesn't want to see an Igbo man. Why? Because of what? Ethnic stroke, religion bigotry. They are Muslims. We are Christians. We and Igbo man and Fulanis are exactly like the Jews and the Arabs. Okay, there's no how. You can never bring peace. You can never meddle between Nigerian army and Igbo man. It is not possible. I'm telling you, this is my own research. I did it. I seal it. You can never bring peace between Fulani man and Igbo man. Fulani Katuriaras and Igbo farmers can never be together. I told you that what is going on between Igbo man and Fulani is exactly what is going on in the Middle East Europe, whereby the Jews can never, I mean ever, allow the Arab to infiltrate them. They will never have anything in common. So the enmity and animosities are there, right from the word A. Are you listening to me? So if you are trying to tell me that somebody can come and meddle between the Nigerian army and the Igbo man, is a lie. Because Nigerian army is the Fulani. 75%. And the Fulani man has no business loving an Igbo man. Who will go be out and disenfranchise the whole Nigerians because an Igbo man wanted to be a president? He's the Fulani man. Mahmoud Yakubu is a Fulani man. So I don't know what you are saying. Look at Abba Kyari, the man that brought war in Imo State, disenfranchised the whole Imo-lites. They voted Emeki Hediora. He's an Abba Kyari. Abba Kyari is a Fulani man. The former chief of general staff during Buhari regime that what? Maestriously died. No, it is not maestro. It has to do with law of what? Retribution. Nemesis is a natural law. If you keep on misbehaving, you don't want to get it right, as God said, do something right. Do not steal what belongs to your neighbor. If you do that, run, because nemesis is coming after you.
Do you not think the government, in order to curb this issue, insecurity in the South, do you not think the government should form a system where, indigenous of a particular state will be safeguarded, just like they are taking in the West State? Do you not think, like Imo State now, do you not think the government should, at least employ or give youth,
Thank you so much. Let me explain it to you. Let me help you. Purpose of the man, the security outfit he formed is not helping matters. They are the Bubago outfit, security outfit. And this Bubago security outfit are busy killing and maiming Igbos, accusing them of what insecurity in the southeast. Because what Buzaima knows that absolutely every east in Igbo land, every boy, every youth, every girl, every man or woman in Igbo land is against Hope Uzodinma. So think about any security outfit formed by Hope Uzodinma is what? An enemy, adversary of the Igbo man. Because Uzodinma is dancing to the rhythm, costumes of his Fulani hegemony masters. He's an errand boy to the Fulani hegemony. So nothing good about those governors who are slaves to Fulani hegemony in the north. Nothing ever can be done to bring peace in Igbo land, because the political leaders in Igbo land, somebody like Ato Ezenuko, Hope Uzodinma, Andy Uba and his junior brother, Ifeanyi Uba of recent time, they are all errand boys. So if you allow the such security outfit formed in Igbo land, they will mix it up with Fulani herdsmen. And you know what? As I'm talking to you now, farmlands in Delta State, farmlands in Enugu State has been what? Occupied by the Fulani herdsmen. So farmers don't go to farm anymore, and Nigeria is going to face, Nigeria is going to face famine, food drought, farm produce